I was looking sort of for a hobby. I've always played guitar and they've interested me in acoustic guitars and the workings of them, and I just, at that time was looking for something else on the internet and came across a site that talked about making musical instruments, and it intrigued me, and so I got on from there and jumped in the deep end and sort of taught myself from books and off the YouTube and different things. I started in about 2006, just doing it. Was a bit passionate, the first one. I was out here until 11 o'clock at night and back out here at 6 in the morning working on it because I had the bug going, but and it's a good relaxing thing to do. I find I have just come out in the shed and listen to some music and work away, and it's quite meditative and relaxing. And everyone's a little different in the way that it will look in the finish, and depending on the wood in it and the little things on it that add character to it, like the little violin lines and stuff around the edges and what the binding's made out of and all of that sort of stuff. So it's all just a little challenge to do different things in different ways. I've played guitar since I was 14 or something like that. I pestered my parents and they bought me one, and I've sort of lived with it on my chest for years. And then I've just played mainly solo for a lot of my time with an acoustic guitar, and I just like doing it. It's nice, and I find it, again, it's a relaxing thing to do. And then of course if you get paid to do it, it's even better, and it's good to play and then have people come up at the end of the night and say how much they enjoyed the night. The wonderful thing is when I've got it here and I've put it all together and set it up, put the strings on for the first time, and I put on the bottom and the top string and they go on, and you just go dong and you actually hear the noise that it's going to make, and that gets you excited and you think, oh right, it is going to work. But at other times I'll be out here and then just when I've got it closed up and I'll be working on it, sanding it, and it reverberates, and just with the music coming out of the speakers you can feel that in the guitar itself, so you know that you've got it sort of pretty right, and you get excited about that. Getting it all together and balanced together and looking, like I say, looking nice but sounding good and being pleasurable to play. It's a good combination to have. So.